guys, we're going to show you how to make some drift tires out of some PVC, and we're using a traxxas slash 4x4. The tires are all different diameters, so we're using 4-inch PVC, the standard PVC from Home Depot. I think we paid $9 for it, and our tires are just a little bit bigger than the 4-inch, should fit in there nice and tight. We'll show you how we do it, and these short course trucks are all pretty similar in tire size, but measure them first and make sure before you buy your PVC. Guys, so got our PVC, got our measuring square, sawzall to cut the PVC. Alright, so what we're going to do is, Kyle, hand me a tire. Alright, so we got our tire, we want the diameter, the thickness of the tire, the width of the tire, so we set that right there, just like that. That's how I do it. You can use a tape measure or anything. So now that we have that, we'll transfer it to this. So what you'll do, I stick it on there, I put a Sharpie here, and just spin the pipe, right, all the way around, just like that, and you have a Sharpie in there, just making a line all the way around this thing. And all you're doing is getting the width of this tire marked onto this. And you can do it different ways. You can use a tape measure, you can do it however you want. You just want to get basically the width of this. It can be a little bit wider, it'll be fine. And you stick it on there, then you'll take your Sawzall, or your bandsaw, or your hacksaw, or your handsaw, or whatever you want to use to cut it, and you just come in through here, and you just cut that real nice, right through, like that, and we'll show you in the next step. Guys, what it looks like. We went ahead, we cut that. I didn't show you actually cutting it, because I mean, you know what cut through PVC looks like, but basically, you know, here's a quickie, you know, we just cut through like that, boom, cut our piece off, okay, about same width, okay. You can see our diameter is a little bit, see how that won't just go in there? Okay, so the diameter of this wheel is a little bit bigger than this PVC, and that's what you want, because you want it to hold in there. So what you do is you kind of stick one end in, and then we'll take this end, and we'll just kind of stuff it, right? And work your way around, stuff that in there. And you want it pretty tight so it doesn't come off, okay? Get that in. And this is nice because you can do this, and then you can still use the tires after the fact. You do this, you bolt them on, and if you have an extra set of tires like we do, we've got these tires here where we've got those on. These are what we run normally, just mess around in the yard or whatever. You can unbolt those, take something like this, bolt it on. Next thing you know, you got a drift vehicle, you're ripping around having a good time. Okay, so that's how they look in there. We'll go ahead and get these bolted on, and we'll show you in the next step. So we got our old tires off, guys, and went ahead and installed our new drift tires with our PVC. Now, these will be okay just like this because they're in there really tight, but if yours were looser or whatever, you could glue those in, or if you had spare tires, you just want to dedicate these to drifting and messing around, you can just glue those right in like that. So just bolt that pair on, or if you're using your tires that you use all the time, slide it on, bolt them on, use them. When you're done, you can just pull this PVC right back off, and you're back riding off-road or whatever you want to do. So it's kind of nice because they're universal, they're cheap, $9. I mean, you might be able to find cheaper where you're at, but so let's try it and see if it works, huh? So this is traxxas slash 4x4. We're gonna try a little drift here, right here in this concrete pad. You ready?
Yep.
There you go, guys. So you can see that was pretty good drift. I mean, you could do this for hours. A lot of fun. Sitting here just drifting around, having a good time. You can see this is a really thick PVC. They didn't move, didn't go anywhere. They're still in place. And I mean, these are gonna last you a long time. I mean, that's a lot of PVC to wear down. So, all right, well, I hope this helps some of you out and you have a lot of fun and enjoy drifting. Drift tires.
Not that much in the grass.
Works pretty good in the grass too. Bring it back up on the driveway. Let's see some drift. And oh, nice.
Oh, there she goes.
All right, battery is dead. Good job, bud.